Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up Shopify store for free. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually just click on this apps right here. Click on this all recommended apps. Then under there, scroll down until you can see the Shopify App Store. Now it will open a new tab right here and you can see the Shopify App Store. Now just click on the search bar and search in here for Swift. So in here, let's search in here for Swift. And on the Swift right here, we should be able to see all of these things right here. What I recommend you to do is to just choose this Swift SEO Page Optimizer. As you can see, they have a free plan available. So click on this one. And then once you have done that, head over and then click on install right here. Now, once you have clicked on it, it will open in here another tab wherein it will ask for access in order to successfully install itself on the Shopify store. So head over and click on install right here. And then as you can see right here, it will load in order to show us their dashboard. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So this is what it looks like right now. So what you can do is you can enable this one where it can actually daily boost speed every day. And as you can see, but this one requires premium subscription. So just head over and click on this boost speed right here. And then from in there, you can see that your store has been chosen like this one. So let's head over and preview first. And this is what my store looks like right now. So as you can see, it's actually very fast right now because of this. So the store is actually loading faster without further configuration. So just if you want this, you can actually head over and just tell me more. Then it will open this one wherein you can see all the packages that they have. But they also have this free plan right here. And as you can see on this free plan, my store has loaded quite a bit fast during the free plan right there. So that if you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.